Let's make a BLT Italian style. First things first, let's start by prepping the T of a BLT, the tomato. Now I'm using sun-dried tomatoes and I'm just going to slice them into strips as I don't want to pull out a whole piece when I'm taking a bite out of the sandwich later. Now you can definitely use a fresh tomato here, but tomato season is over, so I opted for sun-dried tomatoes. Both are great options. All right, so for the lettuce part of this recipe, traditionally in a BLT, it's iceberg or even romaine, but because we're making this more of an Italian style BLT, we are going to use arugula. Now I love arugula, I love the flavor of it, but there's one thing I do not like, and that is it's dry. And when it's put into a sandwich, just dry, I don't know, maybe it's just me, I always need to dress it, and it's very simple to dress. I just use a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper, just a squeeze of lemon juice. Just mix that all up, and there you go. Dressed arugula, it's just gonna add that extra little oomph to your sandwiches, and of course for this PLT. Now, a BLT should always have mayo. I don't think there's a debate there. I love my mayo, and in this case, we're going to use BOMBA mayo. If you have followed me on my channel, then you know I use BOMBA CALABRESE sauce a lot, and I'll leave a link in the description with a video recipe explaining all about it. Now, any ratio of mayo to BOMBA sauce will do. Give a good mix and set aside. Now for the B of a BLT, the bacon, but today it's pancetta. Now I asked the pancetta to be cut as thick as bacon, and you can use as many slices as you wish. Just cook it low and slow in a pan on low to medium heat, and then once done, flipping a couple times, just remove to a plate lined with paper towel. Now grab any bread you like, this is an Italian bread, and either toast it in the pan with some extra virgin olive oil, or you can use the rendered pancetta fat and toast it. I'm gonna use the rendered pancetta fat. Once toasted, it's time to build. Spread some BOMBA mayo on the bottom half of your bread, lay down the dressed arugula, then the sun-dried tomatoes, the pancetta, more BOMBA mayo on the top half of your bread, and bring this beautiful sandwich to the table. What can I say? It's delicious. And I'm gonna make it again and again and again. And I'm gonna try it with fresh tomatoes when they're back in season, but the sun-dried tomatoes really add a nice punch of flavor. I hope you give this recipe a go, and as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, ciao.